had a lot of fun when I took this thing out in the last video, but like I said, I was having some minor issues with it. Just had a hard time getting it to go straight on dirt. So I went ahead and pulled the differential apart, cleaned it all up, and I decided to go ahead and put thicker oil in it because the grease that it came with, it was way too thin. It would spin way too easily. So I went ahead and I had some diff lube laying around, 50,000 weight. So I put that in there, and that seemed to stiffen it up a little bit more now. So now I just need to clean this thing up, and there's one more thing I want to do to it. And that would be this right here. I figured why not? This thing's got a low center of gravity and never tried to flip over on me or anything, so I figured that might look pretty cool going down in dirt. But let's go try it out, see if I made any difference at all on this thing. Well, this thing runs pretty good, not too bad. First of all, I am happy all my lights are holding up. No problems there. Everything's been staying on, no problem, and all that good stuff. But still, if you give it full throttle, right as you take off, all it does it just doesn't spin around circles. That's all it wants to do. You really got to feather the throttle to keep it straight to start out with. So I don't know if that's something I'm doing wrong, or if I need maybe even thicker gear oil or diff oil. And I know I'm running brushless, so the thing's already overpowered, but when I was out there running it, I was running on 2S battery, and should be fine, but I just need to do more research. Heck, I might even need different tires too, who knows. But I'll keep playing with it and trying to figure it out. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.